We are in the Serengeti at the moment. The solar system with the 4 seasons here features a 990 kilowatt peak solar with a 3 megawatt hour battery containerized, integrated into the system. The system uses state-of-the-art Huawei technology, including high-efficiency Sun 2000 inverters and Luna 2000 battery containers, ensuring consistent, reliable power throughout the day and night.
The largest off-grid solar installation in Tanzania, we now generate clean, renewable energy to power essential parts of the lodge. This not only reduces our environmental footprint, but also saves us significantly on operational costs in the long term.
Operating in the Serengeti comes with a great responsibility to both nature and wildlife. It is crucial to blend in with the environment and maintain a low impact. Switching to renewable energy minimizes the impact associated with traditional energy sources.
So with this installation, we are able to power all our 77 guest rooms and suites, the laundry operations, kitchen equipment, and not forgetting the 300 over staff members that stays in the lodge. Thanks to Greenlink ReGen and Huawei technology, we can offer guests a true eco-luxury experience.
With the new solar system, we've reduced the use of diesel generators by up to 80%, significantly lowering emissions and operational noise. This ensures a more peaceful environment for both our guests and the surrounding wildlife.